Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great holiday. I'm gonna go ahead and record a video on this look today. Hope you guys like it. I'm gonna also go ahead and try some new products like the Real Her that I got on my BoxyCharm. I'm also gonna go ahead and try the ABH Rose in the Air, which kind of looks like ABH Model Renaissance. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a test in the near future, see if it's a great dupe, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try and see if it works for me. I'm also going to try one of their liquid catsuits. I did get most of them, but I want to try this color for my look today. Give it a little bit bling bling pout. You know what I'm saying. I'm also going to try the Bobbi Brown highlighter. I did get it on sale on the holiday sale they had. I think it was like what, $32? I don't know. I know this is a pretty expensive palette. I'm gonna give you my thoughts on this. I also have been trying out the Maybelline Superstay. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my thoughts on it. I've been wearing it for about 2 weeks now, so this will be my first time trying it out on camera, and I will let you guys know my thoughts on these products. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a whole look together. I am going out tonight with my family for a holiday event, so you know, we have to do it. Guys, if you would like to see this look, please keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that alarm button so you know when I go ahead and put up videos. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Physicians Formula eye primer and prime my eyelid. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. I'm going to take the lightest shade and put that all over my lids to set that primer. I'm going to go ahead and take that light transition shade and put it as my transition color today. I'm going to go in with that brown caramel color and add it on top of that transition shade that I went ahead and used. Now I'm going to take that burgundy color and use it in my outer corners and inner parts of my eyes to start creating a halo look. I am going to take a smaller crease brush and take the darker shade that's next to that burgundy color and swoop that a little bit above my crease, right where the halo meets on both sides. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that lightest shade with my finger, and I'm going to put it right where I want the halo to be in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and take glitter. I want to make sure that it has a nice base so you are able to see that glitter. Now for the fun part, I'm going to go ahead and take the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Goldie Luxe and put that right where I want the halo to go. Now I'm going to go back in with that burgundy color and put it right back on the outer parts and inner parts just to make it look like it's meshing together. Now back to a smaller crease brush and a darker color to go ahead and sweep it right above that glitter. For primer today, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Primer. I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I am the shade Natural Beige. And I'm going to go ahead and dot it all over my face before blending. For concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarte Shape tape in medium and in light sand. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the under eyes, my chin, nose, and my forehead. I use both of these colors only because the light sand is very, very, very light for me. So I give the medium to mix it together. I'm going to go in with a sponge from e.l.f. Cosmetics and blend that all in. To set that concealer, I'm going to go in with my Kokie Airspun setting powder and set the parts that I use to concealer. For eyebrows today, I'm going to go in with my NYX micro pencil. Sorry you see me dancing here. I was listening to music and enjoying myself. To finish my brows, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a Benefit Ready Set Brow to set my eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and take my Real Techniques Dual Fiber Face Brush and wipe all that excess powder off my face. Contour, I'm going to go ahead and use my Kokie Cosmetic Powder Contour Kit, and I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques Blush Brush. I love this brush for contouring. It is very pointed and precise. Now to finish my eye look, I'm going to go ahead and take the Wet n Wild Rose in the Ear palette. Again, I'm going to go into that dark brown shade and sweep it under my lower lash line to complete that look. So I'm going to go back in with the Rose in the Ear palette and take that golden shimmer color, put it in the inner corners to highlight. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone. For the final step for my eye look, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. Then I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade for mascara. Blush, I'm going to go ahead and use the Real Her blush palette, and I'm going to use the shade Fearless. Fearless is kind of a light pink with gold reflex in it. It is actually a very beautiful blush color. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip into this Bobbi Brown highlighter palette. I'm going to use all 3 shades. These shades all complement my skin tone. I don't have any issues with one being darker or one being too light. I'm going to highlight the high points of my cheeks, and I'm also going to highlight my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. For lips, I am going to go with a very simple lip color, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Melting Latex in Strange Love. finish the look, I'm going to set my face with my Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. Just wanted to give a quick couple thoughts on the products that I did try. For the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air, I do like the product. It does seem very similar to my ABH Modern Renaissance. Will I say it is pigmented? It's a little on the drier side, but it does blend out beautifully. I do enjoy that. For the liquid catsuit, as you can see, I love this. Like, this is perfect for that brown look you want. Like, if you want to make it pop, make it pop. Also, for the blush, I really did enjoy this. You guys do notice that mine is a little broken. It came broken in the mail like that. That's life, so I fixed it. I am in love with this color. It has like golden flexes in it. Pretty enjoyable. It is very pigmented, and it just finished breaking on me. Great. Great. I guess I won't be using that anymore. But it was very pigmented. The other two colors were not that pigmented. That one picked up really quick. It does have like a little bit of a highlight to it. Also, for the Bobbi Brown highlighter, I enjoy this. Look at this. Look at this highlight. Look at that. Look at this nose highlight. I mean, I can't tell you no more. It is very metallic. It doesn't have glitter, which is sometimes a great thing. And it just blends so beautifully, and all the colors are amazing for my particular skin tone. So I did love that. And as for the Maybelline Superstay, guys, I've been enjoying this a lot. It has been one of my go-to foundations for the last 2 weeks. It has lasted all day. It reminds me somewhat of Estee Double Wear. I'm not saying it is, because nothing compares to Estee Lauder Double Wear. But what I will say is that it gives me the same lasting power it does for a woman that works like me. From 9 to by the time I get home, my foundation still looks flawless. I am oily, so I do have to blot. That's what any foundation reality of it is. But I am enjoying this. If you guys will like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.